Hello? Anybody here?
It is your boy Melody.
Yeah!
Why so loud?
What are you doing?
Well, since I'm up, I always sleep in the gym the night before a big game. Yo, where's everybody? The tournament starts in 30.
Oh no, I just figured I was early.
Well, actually, I was early.
The name's Jeremiah.
I'm EJ. You're not on the basketball team, right? Oh, chill, bruh. I play no games. Didn't Coach say there's gonna be a hurricane today? Check the whip.
Well, looks like we're stuck in here forever. Since we're gonna be here a while, we might as well get the lights turned back on.
In the darkness? Yeah, I don't think so.
I mean, if you want to die by yourself, go ahead.
Well, if we're gonna go out, might as well go ahead and check my math test.
All right, let's go. To answer your question earlier, I'm not on the team.
So why are you here if you're not on the team? You know we suck, right?
I just love basketball, just everything about it.
So just join the team then. We suck anyways.
Oh no, I don't think I'd make it if I tried out.
But I just saw you play. I think you have a chance of making the team if you try out next year.
I don't know, I'll think about it.
Hey, stop. Let me check my score real quick. Will you look at that? Ouch.
Well, would you look at that?
I think the back of the generator's back on.
Aren't those the gym doors? You tell me when in circles because Jaren was here the entire time?
What do you say? Let's get a game on.
Yeah, sure, I guess.
For ball.
Yo! Yeah!
I messed up, dude. Oh. Yeah, this is... You were looking at me for the great thing, but that's it. Yeah, let's do it again, do it again.
I gave up. I gave up, man. I quit.
Come on, no,
I
come on,
quit.
yeah, splash. Come on.
Record away. I'm not gonna make it. That's hard.